Hello dear children, how are you? You all are fine? Okay, thank you. Welcome to Isuvidya. So students, today we will learn class 6 English. See students, this is a picture. Is this the picture of Mahatma Gandhi? No, this is not the picture of Mahatma Gandhi. This is the picture of Raghunath Murmu, the inventor of Santali Alchiki script. So students, today our topic is Pandit Raghunath Murmu. So students, now I will read the SGB1, you listen to me. Pandit Raghunath Murmu, SGP1. Paragraph 1. On Makar holidays, Raghunath would come to his village Danbos, a few kilometers away from Rairangpur town in the district of Mayurbhanj. He was then working at Baripada. In those days, he was the only educated man in his area. When he came home, Santals from nearby villages would come to him with their problems. Once an old man came to him. He carefully brought out a letter which he had tightly tied to one end of his cloth and asked, Raghu, can you read this letter for me? It must be from my cousin who lives at Midnapur of West Bengal. So students, let's find out some new words or phrases. Educated man is a new phrase. Problem is a new word. Tired is a new word. End is a new word. Live is a new word. So students, how to remember these new words? Let's know. Educated man. E-D-U, educated, C-A-T-E-D, man you know, M-A-N. Now problem, P-R-O, problem, B-L-E-M. Now tired, T-I-E, tired. Tired, D, then end, E, N, D, N, you know. Now live, L-I, live, B-E, live. So students, let's clarify these new words or phrases. A person who studied in a school or college. Now problem. A situation that is unsatisfactory and causes difficulties for people. Now type fastened or attached with string or similar cord and a final part of something, especially an activity. Now leave someone else place of living. So students, note it. Let's clarify these new words more vividly. Educated man. Raghunath Murmu, he was a highly educated man. Understood? Now students, problem. Now the world is facing a great problem, that is COVID-19. The plural of problem is problems. Now students, type. See, this is a colorful string. These are my two tied fingers by this thread. See, these are my three tied fingers by this thread. Understood? Tied? Now students, end. The opposite word of start is end. After the invention of corona vaccine, COVID-19 will end most probably. Understood? End. Now live. So students, I live in Bhubaneswar. Where do you live? You write in your copy. It may be I live in Mayurbhanj. It may be I live in Chunkoli, Bhubaneswar. It may be I live in Keonjhar. Okay students, understood live? So note it children. Now we will do question number 1. fill in the blanks with the missing letters to make a meaningful word. E dash U dash A T E D. Now B M dash N. Now C P dash O dash L E M S. Now D T dash dash D. Now in E dash D. Now in F L dash V dash. So students, let's fill. In A, E dash U dash A T E D. First I will put D, then C. The word is educated. Now in B I will put A. The word is man. Now in C, first I will put R, then B. The word is problems. Now in D, I will put I and E. The word is tired. Now in E, I will put N. The word is end. Now in F, I will put first I, then E. The word is leave. So students, note it. So students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.